In this video, we will learn how to add a license for products in Pabbly subscription billing. But before we begin, let us know what is a license. The license refers to a specific code that you can share with your customer after the purchase. So this is to provide them with plan-wise product access, cashback, offers, etc. For example, if you are selling an online product and want to offer any specific product features to the users who have bought a higher plan, you can do this by sharing a unique code, basically license, through email notifications or invoice using the license feature of Pabbly subscription billing. Now the process is actually very easy. For example, I want to add the license in this product called as astrology readings. Okay, so I click this and these are the two plans associated with this product. Okay, monthly 33 and quarterly plan. Now I want to add license to one of these plans. So I'm going to click on license here. Click this and then click on add license. Okay, so we have to give a name to this license. But before we give the name, you should know that this name will be displayed on the invoice as well as the email notification. So the name is Horoscope 101. Okay, now we have two types of licensing method, list and auto-generated. So we will be dealing with each of them individually. So let's keep the list method as the first case. Okay, so we will be dealing with the auto-generated as the second case. Here we will be dealing as the list case. So in the list case, we can add the license code here. So we have to manually enter the license. So this is the license Super Premium 1. That's the first license. Now in case if you want to add another license, just press enter and the cursor will come to the next line. Here you have to add the second license, Super Premium 2. Okay, applying the same method, we can add more license. For example, I'm going to add the third license, Super Premium 3. Okay, so I have added 3 license. Now we have the option called as license status active. Okay, so let's keep it as active. Now in the select plan, I want to keep the license in this one, monthly 33. So this is the plan and I want to associate license with. Okay, so basically all the details has been entered. Just click on save. Okay, so as you can see in the redemption, it is showing 0 used. So we have 3 license at this point and I haven't used or the customer hasn't used even one. Okay, so this is because we haven't done any kind of business at this point. Now in case if you want to make the license inactive, you can do it from here. Okay, by pressing these 3 vertical dots. Click this and click on mark as inactive. Similarly, you can delete and as well as re-edit the license. Okay, so at present we have created a license. So how about we check the workings of this license in real time? So let's go to plans and we have added the license in this plan. And so imagine this, a customer is checking out. So click on checkout. Now the customer is going to fill in the details. So the customer name is this and this is the email address and this is the company name and this is the billing address. All have been auto-filled. Now the customer is going to enter the details, his credit card details. Then click on checkout now. Okay, so the purchase has made by the customer. So let's have a look in the email of the customer. So this is the email and he's going to get the notification from Star Holdings. Okay, so this is the email notification. Scroll down and you will find the license. So this is the license code Super Premium 3 and this is the license name Horoscope 101. Okay, so what if a merchant wants to figure out if the license has been used or not? So I'm the merchant and I'm going to see if the license has been used or not. So let's have a look at the licenses. Okay, so it is showing one has been used. Let's have a look at this one used. Okay, so this is the name of the customer that has used the product. This is the product that has been used and this is the license code. You can actually use, you can actually see this from here also. Let's go to subscription and this is the recent transaction that has happened. So click here. So as you can see, we have total invoices. Click here. And here you will find the license code again, Super Premium 3 and the license name, Horoscope 101. Another way is just look at the invoice. This is the invoice. Okay, again we find the license code Super Premium 3 and license name Horoscope 101. So basically this is how you add the license in the list method. Now we will be dealing with the second one, that is the auto generated. So let's go to products again. This time we are going to add the license as auto generated. So click on add license. The license name is Night Sky, something related to horoscope and astrology. Okay, Night Sky 0101. Now this time let's keep the method as auto generated. Okay, in the license status, let's make it as keep it as active. Now we are going to select a plan. Let's make it as quarterly plan. Then click on save. Okay, so a license called as a Night Sky 101 has been added, and at present none has been used. So let's go to our plans and let's test it. This is the plan that it was the license was added, and the customer is going to fill in the details. You know the drill. Okay, the customer is going to enter the CVV and click on checkout now. Okay, so a purchase has made by the customer. So let's have a look in the email of this customer. Let's refresh this. Okay, so email has arrived, email notification has arrived. So as you can see, this is the license name Night Sky 101, and this is the auto generated license code. Okay, this is the auto generated license code. So let's have a look in the license. So in the license it is showing that one has been used. So let's click and see who has used it. So this is the name of the customer, the email of the customer, and this is the product, and this is the license code. Similarly, you can actually log it via subscription. Click here, then click on invoice. Okay, so this is the license code and this is the license name. Again, you can look it via invoice, again directly from invoice. Click here. Okay, so this is the license code and this is the license name. Excellent. So this was all about adding a license to your checkout page. If you have any doubts and queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to figure out your issues. Thanks.